Hey everybody, happy holiday. Today we're going to be making a Christmas candy very popular in Spain. It's popular throughout Latin America, Italy, and France. It's called Turrón de Jijona or Turrón blando. And it's a soft almond nougat bar and it's really delicious. So let's get started. Hola mis cariños, felicidades a todos. Hoy les traigo una receta navideña, se llama Turrón de Jijona o Turrón blando. Es una receta navideña y originó en España. También se come en Latinoamérica, Italia y Francia. Es una receta
The
muy
first step is
sencilla
to
para hacer.
toast the
Vamos a
almonds.
empezar.
Now, when you buy the almonds in the store, they have the skin on them. So to remove the skin, you have to boil them. It's optional. You don't have to even boil the almonds. You can just leave the skin on and just roast it or toast them just the way they are.
So now what I'm doing is boiling the almonds for about 3 minutes. It helps to remove the skin and also it helps soften the almonds. El primer paso es hervir las almendras. Ayuda a quitar la cáscara y ablandar las almendras. Ahora las enjuagamos en agua fría para enfriarlas. Now we're running cold water over the almonds so that they can cool off and they'll be easy to handle. Now that the almonds have cooled off, we're going to remove the brown skin from the almonds. Ahora que las almendras se han enfriado, vamos a quitar las cáscaras. Now we're ready to toast the almonds. I'm going to use a pan to toast them. I'm going to toast these for about 5 minutes, and you may have to do it a little bit longer, but you don't be careful not to burn your almonds because then they'll be bitter. Ahora estamos listos para tostar las almendras. Puede hacerlas en una sartén o en el horno. Next, I'm going to put the almonds into my blender and start blending it to a chunky consistency. Now, if you like a smoother texture, then continue blending it until you get a texture like peanut butter. Procesaremos las almendras hasta que tengamos una pasta suave. En mi caso, me gusta una pasta más gruesa. Es mucho mejor usar un procesador de alimentos de alta potencia porque el proceso sea sencillo. It's much better if you have a food processor that is really strong because the almonds are really thick and it helps to blend the almonds much easier. Next, we're going to add some honey to a pot along with the lime zest, and we're going to boil the honey for about 5 minutes or until it starts to rapidly boil. Seguidamente, vamos a hervir el miel y la cáscara de limón a una olla y hervir durante 5 minutos. Once your honey starts to look creamy, then you want to remove it from the stove. Una vez que la miel empiece a parecer cremosa, quítala del fuego. Next, we're going to beat the egg white to make a meringue. A continuación, vamos a batir la clara de huevo a punto de nieve. Now we're going to add the almond paste to the meringue. Ahora le vamos a añadir la pasta de almendra al merengue. Next, you want to mix the almond paste and the meringue together really well. Then you want to add it into a baking dish lined with parchment paper. And you may have to grease the parchment paper or spray some oil on the paper so that the turrón doesn't stick to the paper. Por último, mezcla la pasta muy bien y póngala en un molde con papel encerado y aplánalo con una espátula o tus manos para hacer la forma del turrón. And now we're going to put this in the refrigerator for 6 hours or leave it in a cool place. Y ahora vamos a poner esto en la nevera o en un lugar fresco durante 6 horas. After 6 hours, it should be ready and you should be able to cut it and enjoy it. But if it's still too soft, put it back in the refrigerator for a few more hours. Después de 6 horas, debe estar listo para cortar. Pero si no, lo pones en la nevera durante unas horas más. These make really great gifts for the holiday. And I'm just going to cut a couple of bars so you can see how easy it is to cut and also the texture. Estos son bonitos regalos para la Navidad. Voy a cortar unas barras para que puedas ver la textura y probar un pedacito. Como pueden ver, es suave y tierno. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go, but I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any recipes. And if you want to see my other video on how to make turrón de maní, which is Cuban peanut brittle, hit the link below in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching. Happy holiday. Felicidades. Tengo un video sobre cómo hacer turrón de maní. Si quieres verlo, haz clic el enlace en los comentarios abajo.